What is excess and surplus lines insurance? Excess and surplus lines insurance, also known as E&S, is a type of insurance that provides coverage for risks that are not typically covered by traditional insurance companies. This type of insurance is designed to provide coverage for high-risk, complex, and unusual risks that cannot be covered by standard insurance policies. Excess and surplus lines insurance is regulated by state insurance departments, but it is not subject to the same regulations as traditional insurance. This means that it can be sold by licensed insurance brokers who are authorized to sell these types of policies. What does excess and surplus lines insurance cover? Excess and surplus lines insurance is typically used to cover risks that are too high or too complex for traditional insurance policies. For example, if a business operates in a high-risk industry, such as oil and gas exploration, it may need to purchase excess and surplus lines insurance to cover its operations. One of the key features of excess and surplus lines insurance is that it is often customized to meet the unique needs of the insured. This means that policies can be tailored to cover specific risks that are not covered by traditional insurance policies. Excess and surplus lines insurance can be written by both domestic and foreign insurers. Foreign insurers are often used to provide coverage for risks that are not covered by domestic insurers. This is because foreign insurers are often more familiar with the risks and can provide coverage at a lower cost. How much does E&S insurance cost? Excess and surplus lines insurance is typically more expensive than traditional insurance policies. This is because the risks covered by excess and surplus lines insurance are often higher and more complex than those covered by traditional insurance policies. As a result, the premiums for these policies are often higher than those for traditional insurance policies. Despite higher costs, excess and surplus lines insurance is an important tool for businesses and individuals who need coverage for high risk and complex risks. By providing coverage for risks that are not typically covered by traditional insurance policies, excess and surplus lines insurance can help protect businesses and individuals from financial losses in the event of an unexpected event or disaster. In conclusion, excess and surplus lines insurance is a specialized type of insurance that provides coverage for risks that are not typically covered by traditional insurance policies. It's regulated by state insurance departments, but it is not subject to the same regulations as traditional insurance. While it is more expensive than traditional insurance policies, excess and surplus lines insurance is an important tool for businesses and individuals who need coverage for high risk and complex risks.